So guys, this is Chris and you're watching Krista's reaction, and today I'm going to react to Baby Metal, Shanti Shanti Shanti. So the what was what was the weird thing in it? Someone suggested it to me. I was like, okay. And what do you mean by baby metal? It's such a weird word to be put together, like words to be put together. Baby and metal doesn't really it's kind of doesn't match. So yeah, and on the top of that, Shanti 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 is what you can say in Hindi is like for peace and calm. So I don't know how it's gonna melt it in. I'm really looking forward to it because Shanti is a word you use in a lot of prayers, and it's a very crucial word in Hindu society too. So I don't know how these people are gonna pull it off. I'm really excited for that part. And let's get on with the reaction. Yeah guys, if you're going to like my reaction, please click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you want me to react to any other video, please let me know in the comment section. And let's get on with the reaction. Okay, 3 2 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. Oh, okay, it's definitely a Japanese group. Yeah, definitely a Japanese group. I can infer that very well because I'm a big anime fan and I come across so many J-pop songs. So I do know about that. And the word Shanti is used so it was so cute. Shanti Shanti. It's like I cannot match that word Shanti Shanti. So yeah, let's continue. I really wish they were like subs. Okay, the music video is definitely very artistic, and the word Shanti come across a lot. I was not expecting that. I was supposed it will come across in chorus or in bridge part, but I really excited they use the Shanti word a lot. And the I think meaning of the song is, I think it's something of fighting to the world or something, because I heard some words like that, but I don't know if you really know the word of meaning of the Shanti these group. But yeah, it kind of used fabulously. I'm not against it. It's mix matching, but it's okay. Wow. A very talented group, I can see that. Now it's getting me excited. They are so smooth. Oh my fuck, that is good. That was bloody good. Okay. The music video was so beautiful. I was not expecting that, and I know I'm really pausing a lot because many things are going on. There's this particular music album, I don't know if it's a stage or music video. I think it's a music video. So yeah, it's a lot of things going on, and really loved how they it's very simple, it's very artistic. It's really pleasing me to hear this song. It's so good. They are talented girls, I can tell that. Her vocals, wow. Oh, this is definitely good. Okay, so I'm just wrapping it up. As an anime fan, I would say if it is Shanti Shanti, I would say Nani. One of the comments in the comment section. I mean, I can relate it so much. There are so many funny comments. Yeah, Hindu metal songs sang by extremely talented, cute Japanese girls. Aesthetic by wearing. Okay, the one a person has really appreciated it by saying the culture they have used Indian culture as not only in aesthetic, like what you can say in overall appearance aesthetically, but also like in the words, and I really like that. There are people are really appreciating it in the like comment section. I was actually looking for the lyrics because I really wanted to know overall the what is the meaning of the song. It was a really enjoyable song. It's kind of felt like a motivating song. And it also somewhere felt like an Indian metal too. Yeah, somewhere. So overall, I really love this song, and I don't know what to say in Japanese. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you, right? Nani no, what do you say it? Like absolutely good in Japanese. What do you say it? I don't know. Okay, I don't know what is called in Japanese for the good, but it's really awesome to how they have like interpreted the whole stage. It was awesome. The music video overall was very blended, very good, and I've also like in the going in the field of the music fields like right now in the like stage setups and all. So I really appreciate how they have like used the projection behind the girl as a like a wings. So it's really I have seen so many Japanese videos, but I've never seen them, in a very powerful poise, you can say, as a group, because they overall most of the time actually go for like a cute concept. Most of the time, the girl groups in the Japan. But I really love this group how they had blended the whole song in, and I'm not really against of using the word Shanti in this because this was used very deliciously if you ask me. So yeah, and vocals. First of all, I was not expecting such like strong vocals from the girl, especially in the middle. She had a really amazing voice, a voice that stand out so much. And the girls who were behind her, they were also awesome. They have this cutesy voice, and they really like as a group they were very good together. So I really hope to see a good response from guys because I'll react more to them, and I hope to check it out more of their songs in the future too. So if you guys going to like my reaction, please click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you want me to react to any other video, please link it down in the comment section. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm kind of looking Japanese today. Am I? A little bit in a Japanese concept, I guess. No, not really. I'm Indian. Not. So I hope you guys like my reaction. Bye bye.